going on YouTube? We got a project, you've never seen it before. This is for working Wednesdays. And oh, by the way, new videos coming out every Monday and Wednesday. Stay tuned. So, what it is it's a 1999 Suzuki Quad Runner.
And here I go again on my own, going down the only road I've ever known. Like a drifter I was born to walk alone, and I've made up my mind. I ain't wasting no more time, but here I go again.
It's my dad's cousin's and it needs some work. We got it running. That was before I ever did YouTube, and so yeah, it's back. Here it is. 99 Suzuki Quad Runner. It actually runs, but there's a little issue with it. I'll show you. One second, let me set y'all down. There we go. What I mean by issue is I think it's flooding out. Right now, but I believe that this thing is flooding out. See, give it full throttle, and then you gotta kind of pump it a time or two for it to get back into the groove of running properly. And the higher RPMs she screams. Not right now. Whenever you get a load on it and go up a hill. See, you gotta hit the gas another time for it to keep up to the times. So we're gonna roll her into the shop when new trial. So, what I think is going on is this thing is flooding out. And so that can be caused by a few things. So what we're going to try is we're going to try the carburetor float. I'll catch you whenever I got the seat and the carb off. We got the old 125S behind me. That's just, we ain't working on that today. That's for Moto Monday, which will be tomorrow. So what we gotta do, we need a Phillips head screwdriver to take this part of the boot right here loose. You're gonna have to take both parts of the boot loose. That's a little trick that I've learned. So I've had this carb on and off a few times. It is a bear. But what we're going to do is the float needs some adjustment. Turn off your fuel. Pull. Wiggle it. And pull it. There's the boot. There's the carburetor. Simple, right? Let me get y'all in here for a good close-up shot. That took me all of 2 minutes to get that loose. There we go. Now for this job, we're going to need flathead. Gotta have a good flathead. Okay, now we got the camera all set up. Got my favorite screwdriver here. Now we're just gonna, these screws right here. Great. Yes, great. Now some of the screws I'm going to have to put in new ones. I got better looking screws. Your screw still ain't stripped. Yeah, that's my mistake. That dumb rooster. Here we go. This video is not sponsored by Suzuki. Because dadgummit Suzuki, you make the hardest four-wheeler to work on ever. So we got the carburetor off here. And thing looks normal, but that float goes down a whole lot. So what we're going to do, this little tab right here, we're just going to give her a little bend. Maybe just a bit more. Now a good rule of thumb is whenever they go down there, whenever you got it sitting level, it should be just about level. And I think that's about right. So now we'll throw back on the bolt here. A little bit of dirt in there, but no big deal, just a little bit of mud. Okay, we're going to throw that back on. Throw on like that. Now, take a screw. Throw that joker in there. Give her a few cranks. I got this thing all back together. Let's see what she'll do. First, fire up after the adjustment. Whoa! Yeah, buddy. Throw her into reverse. Higher or lower. Okay, we're going party mode. Whoa, baby. She spun in reverse. She does a little get up and go. Yeah! See if she spits and sputters. Stomp on her. Nah, she don't spit and she don't sputter. Right whenever you stomp on it, but she ain't really warm right now, so. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Purring like a dead dog kitten. you for watching Outdoors with Al. If you like these kind of videos, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and then look out for Motorcycle Monday and Working Wednesday. New videos every Monday and Wednesday. Stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks.